Smartphone release are getting prettier and prettier. This year, it's looking like color is a big thing in the smartphone space. So it's only right that phone accessories catch up to this trend. Though there are a number of case options and designs to choose from, but without matching wireless chargers and cords, so we released the fancy gift set. Let's unbox it. The first box is a neutral black set. It looks like a book, whether on the way or the side. Simple design. The package is jewelry type, and there is a cover plate for protection. Our slogan, Discover Innovation, is printed at the middle. Package content: phone case, wireless charger, 3-in-1 cable, user manual, and the charging cable for the wireless charger. The case and the charging pad sport the same pattern with the cable in a matching color theme to boot. Patterns on the case and the wireless charger are the same. Looks like small chessboard. It's a good choice for black color lover. The case is made from tempered glass and TPU. Surface of the wireless charging pad is tempered glass, the same as the phone case. It's tough and scratch-proof. The shell is made from zinc alloy, so that it's more crash-proof than normal wireless charger and with better heat dissipation. Power input is a Type-C port. When power on the wireless charger, indicator light flashes twice. It's capable of charging the iPhone 10, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus at 7.5 volts of power, and the compatible Android devices like the Samsung Galaxy S9 at 10 volts of power. The cable is 1.15 meters, long enough for daily use. The outer layer is woven nylon. It makes the cable tough and durable. 3 different connectors: micro USB, Type-C, and Lightning. Convenient to charge your different devices. Support 2M faster charging. The second one is a blue box that comes with a colorful pattern with purple and pink hues, like a painting. The last box is a pink flower theme set, and it's the densest looking thing ever. This wireless charging set makes for great gifts. One thing's for sure, once you get your hands on this, all you're missing are the outfits to match.
Nillkin